Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to discuss how to create a more advanced AI than previous video. This one will be done using behavior trees, so stay tuned. Now behavior trees are a way to make more precise artificial intelligence, like mostly like sequences and stuff. If this happens, do this, and not just like a straight way of like go to this location or follow this. So it's like more programmatic in a way. So the first thing we're gonna do is to add a behavior tree. We're gonna go to artificial intelligence and behavior tree and give it a unique name, underscore NPC. And if you have something in particular, like in my case, you can just append it. Now we also have to add a blackboard. Blackboards are used to like control stuff we're doing inside the behavior tree. So you can control it, name it the same thing, but start it with BP because it's blackboard. I'm gonna do a few folder renaming here to arrange files. Never mind all of the extra files here, just follow the newly created ones. Now we're gonna go to the behavior tree and assign the blackboard to it. So we're gonna go here, it's gonna auto fetch it, but you just have to select it here. So now it's assigned. So a behavior tree starts at the root. It's like a flow chart where you drag it down and you have different options. First you select a selector, then drag it again. This is usually how it's done. And then a sequence, and I explain these later. Then a simple parallel. The selector starts with the left branch. If it's successful, it doesn't go with the right. The sequence is a little bit different. There's like a list of stuff, and if the first one is successful, it goes to the next until it encounters one that's false, and that's like a fault, and that way it goes back to the above selector above, and now it chooses the right branch. Now a simple parallel is a bit different. It has two connections at the bottom. When you select the one on the left, this is the main task, and the one on the right, it can be anything, another blueprint, another whatever you want. So the one on the right keeps looping until the task like to the left side is complete. Now we're gonna get rid of the simple parallel. We don't need it for now. We're gonna create a task. There's a button up that you can create a task. I'm gonna create a folder and put it inside so it's more neat. Usually it's best to have the keyword task in the name so you can know. So basically we're gonna go to a random location. So that's what we're gonna call it. You see that there's BT task and random location. So it's identifying what we're gonna do. Tasks has functions. So we're gonna add a function. That's the first thing we're gonna do. So when you add a function, there's a few tasks you can do. Like when you click the override, there's three of them basically: the abort and the execute and the onTick. The onTick is basically like ongoing when it's happening, like on every tick, and the execute is when it happens the first time, and the abort when it's cancelled and gets executed. So we're gonna go with the execute and the AI version because we're doing AI. We're gonna search for get random location and select that one. Next we're gonna get the controlled pawn and get the actor location to get the current actor's location. Connect the control point to it, tidy it a bit, then the temp value has to go to the origin. Now there's the radius. This is how we control the maximum amount the AI can reach. So we can make it, we should make it instant editable. And then the random location, we're gonna get it the same using the AI move tool we've used before. So this doesn't change here. The only difference here is that the destination is random. So we're gonna connect execute AI, and we're gonna connect the pawn with the pawn itself. We're gonna tidy it a bit more. Now we can further dial in the radius, fine-tuning using the acceptance radius as well. And this we have to do it also. We have to take the instance editable checkbox. Now one thing I see many people do wrong is that they don't finish the execution. So behavior trees, the branches doesn't stop executing until we tell it to do, so we have to do this manually. So on success, we're gonna do a finish execute and make sure to tick the box, and on fail we're gonna do the same, but we don't have to tick it. It doesn't just finish the running of this blueprint, it just like triggers the behavior tree to stop. Now we're gonna go to the NPC behavior tree and we're gonna add to the sequence. We're gonna choose the random location, the one we created before. Now as you can see to the right, you're gonna see like radius and acceptance radius. This is because we added the instances to be editable before. So now we change the radius to, let's say, like 1500, and acceptance radius to 100. You can play with these to make the movement more sensitive. Now we're gonna go to the PC controller. We have to sometimes open the full controller to see it, and we have to trigger the behavior tree or it won't run. So we're gonna search for run behavior tree and choose the asset down. Yeah, exactly, we're gonna choose this one. We only have one selected, so obviously we're gonna select the only one. So we're gonna save and run, and now the player will go to a random location. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for next video in the series. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is very important so that I can make more videos. It takes a lot of time for me to fix issues, come up with the ideas, video record them and stuff, and then edit. I would really appreciate it. Thanks.